so guys, in this video, I will show you something that would definitely be helpful for you when doing your marketing. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Omnisend. The link will be in the description of the video. So I will show you the features right here. So you have email marketing, you have marketing automation, you have SMS, web push notifications, pop-up and forms, report segmentation, audience sync for ads, which are all helpful when you are doing your marketing, guys. So customers are moving into Omnisend from other email marketing tools, guys, because they saw sales increase of about 85%. And in 2022, guys, the US brands had an ROI of 72 to 100% higher than the standard $36 ROI. So here, as it says, Omnisend allows us to achieve the work of a larger team with limited resources. And that is true. All right. Omnisend does make it easy to send email and SMS campaigns or workflows, guys, because that is something that you really want to, streamline and make it easier. That way you could send more and more emails and SMSs to get more possible leads out of the marketing drives or the marketing campaigns that you are doing. So Omnisend's 24/7 customer support, guys, enables you to make sure that you always have a lifeline in case you get lost, or if there's something that you need help on in terms of using their product. And the best part, guys, is that Omnisend is 40 to 50% cheaper than an average leading e-commerce focused ESP for small or large contract list. So on a standard plan, basically. For the Pro plan, Omnisend is about 15% cheaper on average. So go ahead and check them out. Here are the pricing, guys. You can go ahead and check them out. The best part is that you could start using and testing it out for free. Yes, nothing to pay at all. And if you feel that this is something that you would like to continue using and you would like to get more features or the best features that you could use in terms of like doing your marketing campaigns, then you could go ahead and upgrade from there. But the best part is that if you're not satisfied, then you don't get charged or anything like that. And as you could see, guys, the rating that Omnisend is getting from Shopify and other e-commerce is top notch. You have 4.8 out of 5, you have 4.6 out of 5, you have 4.7 out of 5, 4.5 out of 5. Those are very good ratings, which speaks out that Omnisend is something that is worth it in terms of what you pay and the value you get. So you can go ahead and join the 100,000 plus e-commerce brand that grow with Omnisend every day, and you can start for free. Again, go ahead and check them out. Start using the free part first. See if this is something that is, going to be helpful for you in the long run. And then from there, decide if you want to upgrade or not. All right. So the success stories real quick. Let's go ahead and check out on that one. How 123 presets improve their deliverability and double their revenue. You have other brands as well here, right here. So they have their own testimonials. They have their own things to say about Omnisend. Go ahead and check those out as well. Those matters because, again, the experiences of other customers of a brand, talks a lot about if they are worth it or not. So go ahead and check them out. The link to this will be in the description of the video. Stay until the end of this video, guys. At the end screen, we have a lot of videos that will definitely be helpful to you. And if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out.